Hello there, YouTube. I thought I'd make a video about sanding with these flapper discs. Now I have a couple pictures. This is my fire extinguisher tank. The date on it says 1968. So I'll snap a picture of that. I should save it for an antique, but oh well. Excuse the dryer in the background, the fan. I got the fan going on when it's hot. Wear your goggles. Dust mask. I even have a hat on. You can see this stuff gets all over. Yellow powdery paint. I'm sure it probably has lead in it, but we will fire this up and show you. I don't like going this way. This turns clockwise. I like sanding where it takes the paint off. If you go whipping it like this way, it puts more gouges in the metal. I will show that real quick to show you that it does make more marks. So here we go. Okay, I don't know if that showed up. I had this block with this so it didn't roll away. I don't know if that showed up when I did that, but it leaves more marks when you're going up in it. I'd rather sand off it because you're on a curve. And don't go this way on a curve, it won't be round anymore. Just try to make lines, just try to stay even, and try to feel the metal. Body guys always feel their work, and you can tell if you're getting too many grooves and it's not round anymore. This isn't going to be anything special, but you get the idea. Just turning clockwise, I like to sand the paint off. This is a 120 flapper disc. It is getting wore down. Be careful using the edge. The edge really digs up metal. That goes up. Going that way. Go to the telemacro and show that. Okay, you can see the edge going the other direction. Said I like going over here and letting it peel the paint off. Thanks for watching.